Hello. After a fairly grey, cool, drizzly sort of weekend, the weather isn't going to be changing in a hurry, certainly over the next few days. So through much of the week ahead, then predominantly dry, fairly cool for the time of year, often fairly cloudy, breezy conditions. There'll be a little light rain, drizzle and perhaps a bit of hill snow around as well over the next few days. But high pressure sitting across Scandinavia, that's dominating our weather. The winds rotate around that, coming in from a cool easterly direction. So we've got a relatively chilly air mass with us at the moment. We'll start off the early hours of Monday with that cloud sitting across much of England and Wales, producing this light patchy rain, mainly for central and eastern areas. A little bit of hill snow to come on Monday across the Pennines, perhaps the southern uplands. By the end of the day, the odd flake of snow perhaps for the Grampians as well, but nothing too heavy, just a slight covering over the highest ground here. For most of us, just drizzly rain. Best of the dry weather towards the west, only 5 or 6 degrees, but some sunnier skies again for northern and western Scotland. Through the course of Monday night, then, we've still got this feed of easterly winds bringing in a little bit of patchy light rain, some sleet and hill snow over the highest ground in the north once again. Temperatures to start Tuesday morning, probably a few degrees above freezing for most of our towns and cities, but a little bit lower than this in the more rural spots. Could be a touch of frost, especially across parts of Scotland. Into Tuesday, then, we've got a frontal system not far away from the east coast here, not bringing much in the way of rainfall. Again, some patchy light rain and drizzle for northeast England, eastern Scotland, with a little bit of snow over the mountains and the higher ground here. Further south, it's looking like another cloudy day. Some drizzly rain sitting across the likes of East Anglia, for instance, but further west, most of us should stay dry. Temperatures around 5 to 7 degrees, a little bit of sunshine coming through, particularly anywhere to the west of higher ground, so southwest Scotland, for instance, seeing a bit of blue sky. Now into Wednesday, a weakening weather front approaches from the southwest, bumps into that area of higher pressure, so we could see a few light showers for parts of Wales, southwest England, perhaps Northern Ireland as well. Elsewhere, you're likely to stay predominantly dry, but again, limited amounts of sunshine, quite cloudy conditions with that cool easterly wind. So temperatures on the thermometer 6 to 8 degrees, but feeling a little bit cooler than that for some of us, especially where you're exposed to that easterly breeze. No great change towards the end of the week, mostly dry, still fairly cloudy for Thursday and into Friday too, but you can find a more detailed weather forecast up to 14 days ahead by downloading the BBC Weather app. Bye-bye.